It has finally arrived. We got the Google Pixel 10 in the house, and I'm going to go ahead and bust out my little unboxing knife just to cut the label up. But, you know, majority of it is the box itself, and the box is pretty simple to open for the most part. I mean, it's nicely wrapped. Shout out to Google Fi for doing that, and shout out to Google Fi for the pre-order. But here it is. I got the Lemongrass version. So on the back, you just have these pull tabs. We're going to pull them to release the sleeve and get the phone unboxed. So got one tab off, and there's the second one. Now the sleeve was a little tight, so it took me a little bit to fight with it, but here it is, everybody, the Pixel 10. And wow, that looks pretty good. But inside the cover of the box is the warranty guides and all those things. So if you want to read that, you're more than welcome to read it. It's got a QR code to scan. But you know, for the sake of video, I'm just not going to read all of that. Here is the phone, and man, it's got a nice weight to it. And this is what is in the box, but let's take it out the wrapper. Like I said, for the most part, it's got some pretty good weight to it, and it does feel nice in the hand. I did end up getting a case for it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this powered on so I can start going through the whole setup process and getting the Pixel 10 set up for the way that I want it. And I'm going to see, you know, exactly what it comes with outside the, you know, taken outside the box. If I have to go into the beta program to get the, you know, Material 3 Expressive, but like the beta version of it, then I'm going to go ahead and install that too. But I ended up picking up a clear case because I really like the lemongrass color. Usually, you know, I kind of go for pixels that are just, you know, in my opinion, a little muted on colorway. Like, you know, my Pixel 9a is the iris color. And, you know, previous pixels that I had before, it's either been obsidian or it's been coral. So lemongrass is just a refreshing color. And, you know, for me, it is the reason why that I chose it and got it. So here is the clear case for my Pixel 10, and I'll remove the protective film. And yes, I've already noticed right out of the box, there is no SIM tray. So it is eSIM only, which some don't like and some are okay with. But you know, I'll get into all that with my first impressions video tomorrow. Today is literally just the unboxing of the phone and showing you guys what comes in the box and just, you know, my first thoughts on it. And this really feels nice in the hand. It's, man, I'm so happy and super excited. But yes, I got to get it set up so I can start using it, so I can tell you guys what I think about it after 24 hours. So stay tuned for that video. Smash the like button for this video. Also hit the hype button too as well. Hype this video up, and I'll talk to you on the next one.